Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah from Teacher is Happy, and today is the school holidays, so it is a great time to be doing pantry organization. Obviously we're all at home at the moment with what's going on, and yeah, there's time to actually do those annoying jobs that you said you were going to do and just never have. So this is one of my jobs. I made some really cute little craft labels on my Cricut, and now I'm going to pull everything out of my current pantry situation and label it all and make it super cute and fun. As you can see, I already tried to make it cool and it just wasn't working. Nothing really had its place. It was a very poor man's attempt. I had only bought stuff from Kmart and IKEA. They're not probably the best things, but they do serve the purpose and they look cute. The only downfall is I made all my labels white, which is really, really silly, because then when I went down to the pantry, I realized the containers are white and flour is white and sugar is white, so you might not be able to read them. So I think I'm gonna have to come up with some kind of way of fixing that. Maybe use the gold and just relabel some of those. I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet, but I will. Oh, oh, oh. So the first cupboard I wanted to start with was the tea cupboard, just because it's a smaller job. I had labeled these with just a really basic label maker, and they've already, as you can see, I don't know if you can tell, some of them have started to come off. So I wanted to make them cute, refill them, and make this look a little bit more the way I had envisioned originally, and now that I have more time to do it. So I kind of knew something like this would happen. Luckily, I do have this orange power goo dissolver, sticky spot goo dissolver, and that generally with a bit of paper towel or a wipe or whatever can get off those, so I will use that in a moment too. So I am a little bit of a grumpy Gus because I forgot that I did these in white. You can't even see it on that. And lots of the ingredients are white, so you might not be able to see them. I thought about putting it on the label on top, but then I was I'm just gonna deal with it. And if you can't see it, you can't see it. I'm also gonna continue doing something like this. I've been putting a little piece, this is just my meanwhile thing, a little piece of paper with the expiry date, because you do not want it to expire. At the moment, this is my current label situation, not so cute, but let's make it cute. I'm finding it's probably best to put the labels up nice and high, because long term I don't know if I'm going to have smaller things in front of these, and you want to be able to read it, so that's why I'm putting the label up nice and high and not in the middle of the jar. Instead of taking these back ones up, I'm just going to leave them on because it was such a chore with the last one, and then put it on the other end. Okay, so considering I'm such a doofus and didn't do think ahead and think that white would look good on white, I've put a gold backing, mostly because it was the only color that I had, but also most of the jars and stuff, not most of them, but some of the jars have a gold lid, so hopefully that will kind of go with the whole flow. It kind of stuffs up what I had originally thought in my brain, but I would rather just cut little rectangles than go about making all new labels and wasting more vinyl, because that's a waste. So hopefully that will look cute on the front. thought now that it's finished, I should run you through where each of the jars are from and boxes and all those kind of things. These palm leaf ones are from Big W. They're actually like reused from my wedding. These two and these ones are all from Kmart. These little slides are all from Big W. These are from IKEA, Kmart, IKEA. So that's where most of the stuff is kind of from. So it's all very cheap. These deep bucket ones are from Kmart. Again, Big W, IKEA, Kmart. I didn't explain these before, but these are actually like a 3-part file. They're actually from like the study section in Kmart, but they're good just to keep the lids upright so it keeps it nice and neat. And these jars are also from Kmart. They're not great because there's only like a thin little bit that you can actually get out, but perfect for this, but not for storing lots and lots of different things. Hey guys, so this is kind of the finished look, the final look of my pantry. I'm gonna do like a bit more of like a kitchen slash house tour at some point when I feel like my house is done, even though it's like never gonna feel like that, I don't think. But yeah, this is what it finally looks like. Thank you so much for watching this one. I know that you might be going back to school, or you're still on school holidays, or we're still in isolation, so either way it's a fun little project to do. It did take a good chunk of the afternoon, but I think it looks really, really cool, and hopefully it will stay as neat as it is right now. But yeah, it was fun. I love to craft. I love to do things like this. You can just buy these little labels at like Kmart, and I saw some at the reject shop the other day as well, but it was really fun to make them look like that Ray Dunn inspired kind of vibe. And for watching this one, thank you kindly. And like and subscribe and all those things. I'm really sorry, I'm like so bad with like promoting my channel. Like this video if you enjoyed it, comment below with like more things that you want to see. Subscribe, turn the bell on, turn the notifications on so you can see every time I upload. And for watching this one, thank you kindly.